How to sell tickets on Ticketmaster. If you want to sell tickets on Ticketmaster, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to just search for Ticketmaster. After searching for Ticketmaster, now you just need simply go with www.ticketmaster.com, which is right here. And now you can go with sell option, which is on the top right, so that you can sell your tickets on your Ticketmaster. So if you want to sell your tickets on Ticketmaster, then you just need simply go with these steps. So the first one is select tickets to sell. If you purchase tickets from Ticketmaster and the event organizer has enabled resale for your event, you can list your tickets from your account. So you just need simply click on your account, which is right here. Make sure that you've logged into your account and then go with your account section. Or you can also just click on your account, which is right here, which will redirect you to that page. And here you will have all of your tickets. After that, set your price. So set your price using your pricing tool and see exactly how much you'll be paid when your tickets sell. And after that, you'll be able to get paid. When your tickets sell, you'll get paid via your selected method of payment, typically within 7 business days after the event. So in this way, you'll be able to select tickets and then sell the tickets on your Ticketmaster. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.